I really can't pinpoint exactly when triad pairs were introduced to me, but I definitely remember the sort of like light bulb going off and being like, that's all I need to do is take two triads and mix them up in different ways, and I have access to all these different sounds and different shapes. And from that day, like the construction of my lines, my personal lines, I think really started to develop and take off. It gives me access to colors and sounds. So if I'm thinking like a painter, the picture that I can paint is determined about how many colors I have in my palette. So with triad pairs, you can create lots of different colors, and I can access them very easily based on the sound that I'm looking to convey. And that's a different color. That's a dark sound, that's a brighter sound, that's an out sound, that's a right down the middle sound. I think a really great benefit that a student will take away from the course is the realization about literally how much music you can access by digesting triads. It seems like such a simple and basic bit of information, but the way that we organize them and we execute the pattern building, the student is going to have a wealth of sounds at their fingertips. I think a student will find that the overall picture of an improvising musician can really be benefited by triad pairs due to the rhythmic flexibility and rhythmic freedom that particular collection of notes will lend itself to. And when you start incorporating your bebop playing or more linear playing, then the aperture kind of opens up, and it can be a great departure point to a more well-rounded style of playing. A big takeaway I would like to see students come away with the course is to, in the moment, be able to access different sounds. Like, we're going to show you this triad pair is this sound, this triad pair you can use on these chords. And when you have that in your toolkit or on your paint palette, and you know that you can easily access them whenever you want, I think it's just really going to empower our students when they get out in the real world.
I'm Geoff Vidal, and this is Painting with Triad Pairs.